Chris here at MWC 19 in Barcelona, hands-on with the Huawei Matebook X Pro that was just announced at their event the other day. So it's a great looking laptop. It has a very nice screen, so 13.9, the resolution is 3000 times 12,000 resolution, 100% sRGB color gamut coverage. It's powered by 8th generation Whisky Lake CPU, so you've got either the Core i7-8565U or the i5-8265U, and storage options of 256 gigabytes right up to 1 terabyte Samsung PM981 SSDs, so they'll be very quick. It has a built-in fingerprint reader in the power button, just like the previous model. And sadly, it still has the camera in the same location. So the pop-up camera that looks right up your neck, your chin. First impressions off the screen, it is a very nice screen. Of course, it's the 3:2 aspect ratio. Touch response seems good, and it is a very smooth, very accurate. It has a glass-covered touchpad, very large. It supports Windows gestures and does feel good. Left and right mouse buttons in there. The keyboard, I have it a quick type on it. No flex, it's really rock solid. It is backlit as well and feels great, so just like the previous model. And it does have discrete graphics, so NVIDIA's GeForce MX 250 with 2 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM. Build quality feels really good. It's clad in aluminium. It has a matte grey finish to it. It doesn't seem to pick up fingerprints that much. And it is passively cooled, so we have 2 exit vents right here and here. That is where our hot air is going to come out. And for ports, we get one Type A port, USB 3, which is on the right side. And on the left, a 3.5mm headphone jack and 2 Type C ports, status LED. And lastly, the battery capacity, so it is 57.4 watt hours. They claim up to 12 hours of 1080p video playback. So real world use, I would say mixed use, you are probably looking at half that at about 6 hours, possibly 7. So that is my very quick hands-on with the Matebook X Pro here at MWC. Please do subscribe and like for more up-and-coming videos and more MWC coverage. Bye for now.